India is the seventh largest country in the world. India is a union of states, sovereign, secular, democratic republic with a parliamentary system of government. The President is the constitutional head of the executive of the Union. In the states, the Governor as the representative of the President is the head of executive. The system of government in states closely resembles that of a union. There are 29 states and 7 union territories in the country. The states and territories are further subdivided into districts and so on. Jharkhand is a state in eastern India. It was carved out of southern Bihar on 15th November 2000. Jharkhand shares its border with the states of Bihar to the north, Uttar Pradesh and Chhattisgarh to the west, Orissa to the south and West Bengal to the east. The name Jharkhand means the land of forests. Jharkhand accounts for 40% of the mineral resources of India. Earlier, most of the part of Jharkhand was covered by forest, but now, due to urbanization, trees are cut and the forest cover is depleting fast. Uttarakhand is a state located in northern part of India. It is often referred to as the land of gods due to the main holy Hindu temples and cities found throughout the state. Uttarakhand is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure sports enthusiasts. Jharkhand is the 28th state of the Indian Union. The Parliament passed the Bihar Reorganization Bill on August 2, 2000 to create the state of Jharkhand. The state comprises of 22 districts of the Bihar. It covers an area of 74,677 square kilometers. Jharkhand is bordered by Bihar in north, Chhattisgarh in the west, Orissa in south and West Bengal to its east. The capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi, a beautiful city located at 620 meters above sea level. History. Jharkhand was covered in the hills and forests inaccessible to a large segment of people. The tribes of the state are living here from thousands of years and not much changed in their lives and cultures over the ages barring the last few decades. Many scholars now believe that the language used by the tribes in the state of Jharkhand is identical to the ones used by the Harappan people. This has led to a great interest in deciphering of Harappan inscriptions using rock paintings and language used by these tribes. For a greater part of the Vedic age, Jharkhand remained masked. During the age of Mahajanapadas, around 500 BC, India saw the emergence of 16 large states that controlled the entire Indian subcontinent. The supremacy of the Janpads was often decided by the power of swords, bows, axes and other weapons. The region around Jharkhand was extremely rich in its mineral resources including iron. The Janpad that controlled this region, Magadha, eventually controlled most of the country. The power of Magadha continued for a long time and he occupied the central states in Indian subcontinent for a long time. He also witnessed the emergence of mighty empires such as the Mauryas and the Guptas. The British identified this region as a great source of raw material for their booming industries back at home and exploited this region to its full potential and established a vast network of railway lines to help in exporting these minerals. Birsa Munda, Sidhu and Kanho are the legendary heroes of the tribals of the state who fought against the oppressive rule of the British government. Birsa Munda, now regarded as God, fought for the tribals' natural rights over forest and land that was mercilessly being acquired by the British for exploitation. After a long fight, Birsa Munda was captured by the British authorities and died in the prison. Sidhu and Kanho were another set of revolutionaries among the tribals, now regarded as tribal heroes. For a long time, Jharkhand remained a part of Bihar, but after Indian independence, the demand for a separate state by the tribals started gaining momentum. In the last 50 years, the tribes of this region fought against the dominating northern Bihar, which had gained tremendously from mineral deposits of this region. Jharkhand became a state under the Republic of India on November 15, 2000, and now it is expected to make great leaps forward. The state of Jharkhand is situated on the Chota Nagpur plateau, from where the rivers Koil, Damodar, Kharkai, Bharmani and Subarnarekha originates, and the upper watersheds of the rivers lie in Jharkhand. Majority of the state is covered by forest lands, which supports the existence of tigers and ancient elephants. Jharkhand state consists of the soil formed by the breakdown of rocks and stones. The composition of soil in the state is categorized under the following heads, like the red soil, micaceous soil, sandy soil, black soil and laterite soil. Climate. The climate of Jharkhand state in general is tropical with hot summers and cold winters. The cold weather commences early in November and comes to an end in the middle of March. The hot weather then sets in and lasts till the middle of June. Soon after this, the rainy season commences and continues till the end of September. The beginning of the season occurs when a storm from Bay of Bengal passes over Bihar. The commencement of monsoon may be as early as the last week of May or as the first or second week of July. Maximum rainfall takes place between the months of July to September, which accounts for more than 90% of total rainfall in the state. Population. Jharkhand has a population of 32.96 million and consists of 16.93 million males and 16.03 million females. The sex ratio is 947 females to 1000 males. The population consists of 28% tribals, 12% scheduled castes and 60% others. The population density of the state is 403 persons per square kilometers of land. Culture. The Jharkhand culture has passed the test of time, and being a tribal dominated state, nature has been given the utmost importance in every sphere of life and culture. Fair and festival. Sarhul is the most important festival of all the tribes in Jharkhand, though the way they celebrate the festival is slightly different from one to another. Sarhul, which also means Sal tree blossom, makes the tribal communities worship the tree of Sal to seek the blessings of their spirits. The festival is marked by extensive dance and music programs and unrestricted drinking of handriya, which is a local brew made of rice. Mukka Sindra, another festival that is celebrated just once every 12 years by Oran women. Music and dance. Just like most of the other tribal communities in India, dance and music are an integral part of tribal life in Jharkhand. Every festival for the tribes in this state are enjoyed with music and dance, which go on continuously without any hindrances. Most of the community dance and music takes place on the occasion of Sarhul, which is the most important tribal festival. Cuisine. Rice is the main ingredient in any meal in Jharkhand, while pulses and vegetables add immense value to it. They prepare different dishes of rice like different types of rotis, pitha, duska, dudhauri, kheera dudhauri, etc. Duska is famous dish of Jharkhand cooked with mashed rice and pulses and served with either aloo dum or mutton curry. Kheera dudhari is a famous dish prepared with milk, rice, ghee and gur. Bread is normally eaten with pulses and vegetables for dinner in Jharkhand. The tribal population make their own local brew, handriya, which is made of rice. Arts and crafts. The tribal society of Jharkhand has rich traditions of art and crafts that are quite visible in the rock paintings of this region that date back to more than 5,000 years. The best place to experience the art and craft traditions of the state is the Tribal Research Institute and Museum at Ranchi. The tribes of Jharkhand are experts in making plates made of sal leaves joined together by tiny sticks. Economy. Born out of a partition from old Bihar state in 2000, Jharkhand produces about 70% of the output of old Bihar state. Since it is rich in minerals, the state per capita income is likely to increase in the coming years. Jharkhand has a concentration of some of the country's highly industrialized cities such as Jamshedpur, Ranchi, Bokaro Steel City and Dhanbad. It also has several firsts in India, including the largest fertilizer factory of its time in India at Sindri, Dhanbad, first iron and steel factory at Jamshedpur, largest steel plant in Asia, Bokaro Steel Plant, Bokaro, biggest explosives factory at Gomia, Bokaro, first methane gas well at Parbatpur, Bokaro. Jharkhand is one of the most industrialized regions of the country today. The region accounts for 35.5% of country's known coal reserves, 90% of cooking coal deposits, 40% of copper, 22% of iron ore, 90% of mica and huge deposits of bauxite, quartz and ceramics. It is home to the largest steel plant in Bokaro, apart from Jamshedpur being practically the city of Tisco and Telco. There are other important companies such as the HEC, the MECON in Ranchi, which also contribute to the growth of the state. Uttarakhand is a state located in the northern part of India. It is often referred to as the land of gods. The new state Uttaranchal, formerly a part of Uttar Pradesh, was formed on November 9, 2000 as the 27th state of Indian Union. It consists of 13 districts. The region is traditionally referred to as the Uttarakhand in Hindu scriptures and old literature, a term which derives from Sanskrit Uttara meaning north and Kha meaning country or a part of country. It has an area of 20,682 square miles and the capital of Uttaranchal is Dehradun. History. Uttarakhand finds mention in ancient Hindu scriptures as Kedarkhand, Manakhand and Himavat. The Kushanas, the Kudinas, the Kanishka, Samudra, Gupta, the Paruvas, the Katuris, the Palas, the Chandras and the Pavaras and the British have ruled in turns. This is often called the land of gods, that means Dev Bhumi, because of its various holy places and shrines. The hilly regions of Uttarakhand offer unspoiled landscapes to the tourist pilgrimage. The present state of Uttarakhand was earlier as part of the United Province of Agra, which came into existence in 1902. In 1935, the name of the state was shortened to the United Province. In January 1950, the United Province was renamed as Uttar Pradesh, and Uttarakhand remained a part of Uttar Pradesh before it came into being on 9th November 2000, the 27th state of India. Spread over an area of 53,119 square kilometer, Uttarakhand is the 10th hill state of India. Located in the foothills of Himalayas, the state has international boundaries with China in the north and Nepal in the east. On its northwest lies Himachal Pradesh, while on the south is Uttar Pradesh. The topography of this region is mostly mountainous, with a major portion covered under forests. Important peaks of the Great Himalayan region in the state of Uttarakhand are Nanda Devi, Panchachuli, Trishul, Kedarnath, Chaukhamba, Badrinath, Bandra Panch and Kamet. Among the glaciers, Pindari, Milam, Gangotri and Katling are the important ones.
River Ganga,
the Yamuna,
River Kali
and Ramaganga are major rivers which flow through
Uttarakhand,
which is enriched with minerals as well as vegetations like pine, spruce, oak, rhododendron, deodar and medicinal and aromatic herbs. Climate. Uttarakhand geographical position is influenced by the weather and climate of the state. The state of Uttarakhand can be subdivided into two regions. One forms the hilly region of the state and the other forms the plains of the state. Therefore, temperature is quite contradicted from each other. The temperature of smaller plains resembles with the adjacent area of other states. Summers are very hot and temperature goes very high. In contrast, winters are very cool and temperature dips very significantly. However, the hilly regions paradoxically remains covered with snow throughout the year.
Uttarakhand.
Weather and climatic and the state witnesses monsoons in the months of June to September, with tropical forests getting maximum rains. Population. According to 2011 India census, Uttarakhand had a population of approximately 10.11 million. The sex ratio is 963 females per 1000 males. Culture, fair and festival. Uttarakhand is a home to several temples and also a place where many festivals are celebrated with much enthusiasm. The presence of major pilgrimage centers is the reason for celebrating various festivals in Uttaranchal. Most of these festivals are celebrated over a period of 2 to 3 days, followed by dance and music. On the eve of most of the festival, the places near the temples are transformed into important hubs where tourists from all over India and from the world gather to take part. The world famous Kumbh Mela is held at Haridwar every 12th or 6th year interval. Other prominent festivals are the Devi Dhura Mela, the Purnagiri Mela, Nanda Devi Mela, Gauchar Mela, Baisakhi, Magha Mela, Uttarayani Mela, Vishu Mela, Pirane Kaliyar and Nanda Devi Raj Jat Yatra held every 12th year. Music and dance. Uttarakhandi folk music has its root in the lap of nature. The pure and blessed music have the feel and the touch of nature and the subjects related to nature. There are many kinds of folk songs from the area, including ceremonial mandals, martial panvaras, thadya and jodha. Uttarakhand is famous for its numerous dance forms. Each of the Garhwal and Kumaon regions possesses their own individual and characteristic dance forms which are striking in their novelty. Cuisines. The famous dish is the bhat, a soya bean variety, and the kulat. The main food are aloo ke gutke, jhangora ki kheer, singhal, sani hui muli, khandale ki saag, gulgula, arsa, gahat ki dal, and many more items. The best food in Uttarakhand is during festivals as they prepare kesar halwa and other sweets. Art and craft. The peace and tranquility of Uttarakhand lays the foundation for a treasure house of paintings and arts. Out of two major art forms, the art of stone carving and wood carving are fairly well known. Economy. The size of Uttarakhand's economy as measured by its gross state domestic product for 2013 is estimated at rupees 775.8 billion in current prices. Born out of the division of Uttar Pradesh, a new state of Uttarakhand produces about 12% of the output of the old Uttar Pradesh state. Apart from manufacturing units set up by various public sector units situated in the foothills, the new state can hardly boast of any industrial base at the moment. Local resource-based industries do not feature significantly in the industrial structure in the state.